Now, step number 6, organization is key. Organization is key. Organization is key. What if I told you that instead of drawing a diagram and counting out, what if I asked you to put this in a table? And tables help your child organize information. Remember this question that we had, right? Here's another question. Can we organize all of this information? That was one of the questions you should ask your students. If you ever say organize, hopefully your students know that a table should be involved, because that's the way we prompt them. Organization means put it in some type of XY table or some type of chart. So I'm going to put this information in a chart, and the chart is going to say number of cans in the row compared to the total number of cans. So look at this for a second. If I had 1 can, right, and 1 row, in that table, I would have 1 and 1, yeah? 1 can, 1 row. Now, if I had 2 rows, how many cans will be? You guys should say 3, right? 2 rows would give me 3 cans, right? So I'm organizing the table. What would happen if I gave you the third image, right? So there are 3 rows. How many cans do you think will there be in the 3 rows? And go into the chat box real quick. How many cans will be in the 3 rows?
6.
How many?
6.
6.
6. All right, let's see. Yeah, so there will be 6, right? So 3 and 6. You with me? And then my question to you is, how many would be, oh, sorry. How many would be in the 4? It kind of came on, but it should be 10, right? Do you notice any patterns? That's my question. Do you see any patterns here? Now, don't look at the pyramid. Look at the numbers in the table. Do you see any patterns in this table? Any patterns? You see any patterns going on in this table? Somebody says see. Yes. Tell me what patterns you see. What patterns do you see? All right, we got 5 minutes left, so I'm gonna speed it up just a little bit. You should see a pattern on the top of +1, yeah? And then you should see a pattern on the bottom, not of +2, but of +2, then +3.
+3, +4.
Then +4, good, right? Can you predict the next number? Should be +5.
+5.
Can you predict the next number?
+6.
Should be +6, love it. So that should be what, 20, 21,
21.
yeah? And then finally, +7, and that should give you your 28,
28.
right? So before we looked at these and we started from the bottom and went up, right? Went to the top. Now I'm asking you to look from the top and go down. These numbers is a really, really important number sequence in mathematics, and it's called the triangular numbers. And this sequence happens a lot. Now, right now, you probably did a problem that's on the middle school level. I'm about to take it up a notch in the high school level because that's where your students live, okay?